welcome back. So today we'll be using Canva to create a short video like what we did for the previous one. So this time we are just gonna look at Canva to create our video. So the first thing is I'm just copy pasting the prompt. I have you guys already have this attached below your lecture. So all the new prompts I'm covering in this series are available to you. So I have also given an example here, as well as I've given the generic template. So you can copy paste initialize celebrity name equal to, or you can just copy paste this prompt as it is. So I've just done that. So make a 60-minute YouTube video on popular quotes. So if you are wondering who Ashnir Grover is, so he is probably one of the only guys in India who has created 2 unicorns, and he is one of the startup founders, and he was also a judge on Shark Tank India. And I've just used this example for this one here. So basically it says it generated the title, it gave me the quote, and it there was also an error there. So it corrected the use case again, and I've asked it for what images to use. So it gave some suggestions, and I asked for the timeline. So it gave the timeline, and post that I've also asked what should be the description. So it gave me the description for the video, and this video is live. I'll demo it to you later on. And after this, the thing I did was, so you can go here and do create audio here. If you just do create audio, okay, so you can just click this one. It should pop up, and you would see a prompt like this. So where I've copy pasted the text, and you can pick the voice style you want, or you can also see the type of audio that are available here. So you can pick which one you want here. So that's totally up to you. And after this is all done, I just went back here, and you can just click on download. It will download it in your local directory. And after that, if you want to play what it generated.
Welcome to today's YouTube short, where we bring you 60 seconds of business wisdom from Ashnir Grover.
Okay, so this is what we did here. And now let me go to Canva. Give me a minute. Okay, so this is where the Canva is. So in Canva, all you have to do is, I'll show you the path, how this was done, so that you can do it on your own. So this in the next video I'll be covering the optimal part. This now I'll just show you how to create a template from ChatGPT output. So yeah, so now all you need to do is go to this one and type YouTube short. So once you go here, so you can start with a blank template, or if you like any of the trend, you can do it. And if it shows paid here, then you cannot use it. You have to be a paid subscriber, but they do give 1 month of free trial if you want to try this out, if this would work for you. So the other way I've showed you also works. I just wanted to show you an alternate way. And in the earlier video series with ChatGPT, I've covered Pictory. So this covers the 3 ways you can generate content with ChatGPT in your into a short video or a YouTube video. So if you go with the blank template here, then you can get your assets. So what I've done, I'll show you that. If you go to my uploads here, let me go there. Just a minute there. Yeah. So if you go to the uploads here and go to audio, so the audio I generated there, I have it here.
Ashnir believes in the power.
Okay, so then you just do a drag and drop here. And if you go to my image section here, if I go to images, so I have the images I had uploaded here. So I have some assets here. So you can just do plus for this wherever you want to start from. So if you want to start from early on, you can do this. So this was a 50-second video. So you can keep adding more assets to that and drag and drop the image or GIF as it is. Or you can also go to design and pick any design that suits you. So in this example here, I've already done that. So if I go to the first one here, I've already done that. So now let me play this for you.
Welcome to today's YouTube short, where we bring you 60 seconds of business wisdom from Ashneer Grover, the co-founder of BartPay. Solve a real problem, and people will pay you for it. Ashneer emphasizes the importance of perseverance and resilience for entrepreneurs to overcome challenges and succeed.
Cool. So you can as well as do this. And once that is done, you can just play the video here, or you can just go to share and you can click on download. It will download in your file, and you know how to upload it to YouTube. I would not be covering that. And what description to use, we already got it from ChatGPT. So if this does not fit it, you can always ask it to reword it in the YouTube limit. So it will always do that for you. So this covers the Canva way of generating this. And I've used GIFs here. If you want to use static images or you want to do this, you can also do that. And there is also a follow-up I wanted to show you. So let me go to that one here. So let me go to ChatGPT. Yeah, AI.chatgpt, right? So let me go to this one here. Okay, so what I wanted to show you was I wanted it to generate a table for me for the founder quotes for popular startup founders. So I have given this prompt to it: create a list of 30 startup founders motivational quotes, put it in a table. So you can ask it whatever way you want. So what Canva also enables you to do, which I wanted to mention it early on, is so you can go back to this video here and click an empty one. No, yeah, I think we already did an empty one. And if you search bulk upload, so yeah, so there is something called bulk upload here in the elements. Yeah, if you go to bulk create, so bulk create allows you to once we have this data here, you can copy paste it to Google Docs, save it, and in Google Docs you can just download this CSV and import it to Canva. It should work, but for this you should be a premium Canva user. So I think they have this pricing here. I don't know which country you guys are in. So in US, it would be $199 annual, $119 annually, billed at $9 a month, or you can also do monthly, but you would also be getting a 1 month free trial. So that's all I wanted to mention. So if you upload that here, I will try to cover it later on. How to use bulk upload. So for now, since majority might not be using Canva Pro, we have already looked at a freemium way of doing it. So I would not be covering this, but you were able to do a much more we were able to do a much more professional video than the previous version we had looked at. So it again depends on your use case. So this would be really useful, like if you are creating some ancient story or bedtime story type events with YouTube channel, this might be a good source to do that. So that's all I wanted to cover here. I hope this helps. So this should wrap up this content creation. And coming back to the other stuff you can do with ChatGPT, I wanted to show you guys. So if you wanted to write some congratulatory note on hitting a specific subscribers, you can do that too. So all those prompts, I tried to make that with you, make that available to you guys. So this is right below the video. So all the prompts we are discussing are available to you. Just copy paste whatever input you want with whatever I gave. So your input may be different, and you don't have to try the same examples I'm doing. So that's all I wanted to cover here. I hope this helps.